Alright, so revisiting proportional relationships. First problem, complete the table. So, we know in a proportional relationship we have to have a constant. So, I'm going to take the only pair that they give us. I'm going to take 1 divided by 2/3. Okay, we learned about flipping the fraction and multiplying. So, 1 times 3/2, okay, is 3/2 is the fraction that we multiply by. So if we have the salt, okay, we're going to divide by 3/2. So 3/2 is our constant. So 1 divided by 3/2 is 2/3. Okay, and then we have 1 and 1/3. So we're going to take 1.33, which is 1/3, divided by our 3/2, and we get 0.88. Okay, and then the last one, this time we can multiply. So 2 times 3/2 is 3. Okay, so just keep that in mind, that you know that a proportional relationship needs a constant. Learning targets for today, I can use a table with 2 rows and 2 columns to find an unknown value in a proportional relationship when there is a constant, and I can identify the 2 quantities in the relationship. So, a recipe calls for 5 pounds of chocolate to 3 tablespoons of vanilla. If they have 17 pounds of chocolate, how many tablespoons of vanilla do they need? We're going to go back to the butterfly method because I feel like this is the easiest for you to understand. So, 5 pounds of chocolate to 3 tablespoons. Okay. And then they're saying they have 17 pounds, so we need to figure out how much vanilla we need. So again, just like in the last lesson, we multiply across. So 17 times 3 is 51. Okay, and then we divide by 5. So 51 divided by 5 is 10.2. So we need 10.2 tablespoons of vanilla. Okay, and they're asking, what is the equation for this? Is there a way that we could figure out a constant? Yes. So, if we take 5 divided by 3, okay, we get 1 2/3. Okay, our x value is the amount of tablespoons. So we have x and y. Okay, there's our nice equation for figuring out the chocolate. Y is the pounds. Okay, 1 2/3 is our constant, and then 1 2/3 times the vanilla gives us how much chocolate we need. So this is, you put the constant right next to your x value, and that equals y. That's how you write the equation for this. For example 2, it says Jacob runs 15 meters every 6 seconds. How many seconds does it take him to run 151 meters? Okay, so we're going to set up another butterfly. So in 15 meters takes him 6 seconds. So how long does it take him to go 151 meters? Okay, again, multiply across. So 151 times 6 is 906, divided by 15 gives us how far or how long it takes him. So it takes him 60.4 seconds to go that far. Okay, writing the equation, we need to figure out the constant. So 15 divided by 6 is 2.5. So our constant is 2.5. So the distance equals 2.5 times however many seconds he is going. For your practice, so a factory produces 5 skateboards in 26 minutes. How many skateboards can they make in 1 minute? How long does it take to make 16 skateboards? And write the equation. So, in the butterfly method, we have 5 skateboards for 26 minutes. Okay, in 1 minute, how many skateboards did they make? So 5 times 1 divided by 26. They make 0.2 of a skateboard in a minute. So they don't even get a whole skateboard done. So now we need to figure out how long does it take to make 16 skateboards. So 5 skateboards over 26 minutes equals 16 skateboards in an unknown amount of minutes. So 16 times 26 divided by 5 is 83.2 minutes. Okay, to write the equation, we know y is the number of skateboards and x is how long it takes, but we need to know the constant. So we need to take 5 divided by 26 to get our constant of 0.2.